Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is about 7th class Hindi. In my channel I am going to teach about 7th class Hindi and 6th class Hindi, 7th class science and 6th class science. Today our topic is about Hindi subject translate to English. Lesson name is उत्साह, धैर्य और साहस. उत्साह, धैर्य और साहस. महान चिंतक और लेखक स्वीटमार्टन कहते हैं कि धैर्य मनुष्य का सबसे बड़ा गुण है, क्योंकि इसके होने से अन्य कई गुण अपने आप आ जाते हैं. एक प्रकार से धैर्य वो आधार है जिस पर अन्य गुण टिके रहते हैं. धैर्य का सहायक गुण है उत्साह. उत्साह को जोश भी कह देते हैं और धैर्य को धीरज. जोश और धीरज दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए आवश्यक हैं. This paragraph means one of the poet named Sweetmarden said that patience is the best quality in the humankind. So why he said? Because patience, if we have patience quality, we'll get other qualities also. The helper of patience is courage. So these two are very much important to us. Now we are going to write meanings. उत्साह, zeal, धैर्य, पेशेंस, साहस, करेज. लेकिन बालकों में, युवकों में उत्साह तो खूब होता है, पर धीरज नहीं होता. इसका परिणाम यह होता है कि हमारे दिल में किसी नए काम के लिए उत्साह आता है, लेकिन झट से चला भी जाता है. This paragraph means that in today's generation, people have so much zeal, but what they are doing, if they got any thought to do this work, but they will get that thought and they will try. But once they try and it is not coming, they will leave that. Very much fastly they will leave that. धैर्य, उत्साह और साहस ये तीन गुण ऐसे हैं जो असंभव को भी संभव बना देते हैं. केवल कष्ट सह लेने का नाम साहस नहीं है. जो कष्ट को सहने में भी आनंद का अनुभव करे उसे ही उत्साही कहा जाता है. This paragraph means that उत्साह, zeal, courage and patience are the three qualities. If we have that qualities, the impossible work also will be possible. So now we are going to take one example. That example is about Napoleon. Napoleon is one of the king. नेपोलियन के जीवन में नजर आता है कि जो कार्य उसने 2 सप्ताहों में कर दिखाया था, दूसरे उसे 1 वर्ष में भी कठिनाई से कर पाते थे. उसके सैनिकों और कर्मचारियों के बारे में कई लोग कहते हैं कि वो मनुष्य नहीं, मशीन है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट मीनिंग्स. दो सप्ताह, 2 weeks. 1 वर्ष। One year. What this paragraph means that Napoleon is one of the king and he did some work. He did that work in 2 saptah, 2 weeks. But now in this generation, if we say to the persons to do the same work, they will take hardly 1 varsh, 1 year. So some people say that the soldiers and workers of Napoleon were not humans, they were machines, some people say. So now what is it means? वास्तव में बड़े से बड़ी बाधा के होने पर भी लक्ष्य की और बढ़ते जाना ही सच्चा उत्साह है। अपने लक्ष्य की राह में किसी विपत्ति को बिना चीखे चिल्लाए सह लेना ही सच्चा धैर्य है। किसी व्यक्ति में कितना धैर्य है, इसकी परीक्षा सामान्य स्थितियों में नहीं हो पाती। धैर्य की परीक्षा तो उस समय होती है जब हमारे सामने कोई बड़ी कठिनाई या संकट आ खड़ी हो जाता है। This paragraph means that we can't test anyone's zeal and enthusiasm and courage, but what we can test when they will get any problem, if we see how much patience, zeal and enthusiasm and courage they have. By seeing that, we can know that the person is how much matured and how much patience he have. Now we will take the second example. अब यह विचार करने की बात है कि संकट की घड़ी किसे कहा जाए और धीर पुरुष किसे कहा जाए। मीन्स संकट की घड़ी, द टाइम ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, एंड धीर पुरुष, पेशिएंटिक पर्सन। सो नाउ आवर सेकंड एग्जांपल इज एन ऐतिहासिक प्रसंग। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऐतिहासिक प्रसंग? Now we are going to start the second example. महाराणा प्रताप मेवाड़ के राजा थे। उनके और अकबर के बीच कई अनेक युद्ध हुए। हल्दी घाटी का युद्ध बड़ा प्रसिद्ध है। इस युद्ध में अकबर का सेनापति मान सिंह था। वह एक हाथी पर सवार होकर सेना का संचालन कर रहा था। This paragraph means that Maharana Pratap, Rana means king. King, he was the king of Mewar. Maharana Pratap was the king of Mewar and Akbar was a Mughal. So what happened? They will have so many fights and wars between them. So one of the famous war name is Haldi Ghati Yuddh. Haldi Ghati Yuddh means Haldi Ghati was a place. Haldi Ghati place, it is a place, so the war fought between Akbar and Maharana Pratap was fought there, so it is known as Haldi Ghati Yuddh. Haldi Ghati Yuddh was fought between Akbar and Maharana Pratap. So what means now what happened? Maharana Pratap was on his Hathi. So and Maharana Pratap was in Hathi and Akbar का सेनापति मान सिंह था. सेनापति means commander. सेनापति means commander. सेनापति. Commander of whom? Commander was Man Singh. He was commander of whom? Akbar. The Akbar's commander was Man Singh. Now we are going to the story. महाराणा प्रताप was मेवाड़ के राणा थे और अकबर का सेनापति मान सिंह था. वह एक हाथी पर सवार होकर सेना का संचालन कर रहा था और साथ साथ युद्ध भी खेल रहा था. उसने महाराणा प्रताप को घेरने की कोशिश की लेकिन कामयाब न हो सका. मौका पाकर महाराणा प्रताप अकबर से जा टकराए. महाराणा प्रताप के हाथी का नाम राम प्रसाद था. This paragraph means that the Man Singh was on a hathi. He was sitting on an elephant. Hathi means elephant. So what he did, he was seeing all the soldiers how they are working in the war. So what happened next? What he did, he wanted to surround Maharana Pratap. But Maharana Pratap went and he went near Akbar and he was fighting with Akbar. And the name of Maharana Pratap's elephant is Ram Prasad. Maharana Pratap's elephant name was Ram Prasad. महाराणा प्रताप के हाथी का नाम राम प्रसाद था. Now what happened? कुछ समय बाद महाराणा प्रताप अपने घोड़े चेतक पर सवार होकर आए. Now what happened? हाथी का नाम राम प्रसाद था and he have one more horse. His name is Chetak. The horse name is Chetak. महाराणा के पास एक और घोड़ा था. घोड़ा मीन्स हॉर्स. हॉर्स नेम इज चेतक. तो क्या हुआ? मीन्स व्हाट हैपेंड? Akbar and Maharana Pratap was fighting. So Ram Prasad, what he did means the Akbar what he thrown an arrow. Arrow means arrow. Arrow what happened? It went to the Ram Prasad's chest. सीने को लगा means it went to the chest of Ram Prasad. So he fall down. So next what happened? कुछ समय बाद महाराणा प्रताप को मुगल सेना ने घेर लिया. So what happened? The Maharana Pratap's Ram Prasad is the elephant. He fall down means Maharana Pratap also fall down. So all the Mughal Sena surrounded them. So what happened? Maharana Pratap went safely, but Ram Prasad was taken by the Mughal Empire. Okay. Now कुछ समय बाद महाराणा प्रताप अपने घोड़े चेतक पर सवार होकर फिर से युद्ध भूमि में आ गए. लेकिन अब उनका सामना मुगल सेनापति मान सिंह से हुआ. This paragraph means that now they were defeated. So what happened? Again, Maharana Pratap came. In what I said, his horse name is Chetak. On that he came because Ram Prasad was fall down and it was taken by Mughal Empire. So what happened? Again they came to the place of war at Haldi Ghati Yuddh. So what happened? They were fighting. Now Man Singh was the commander of Akbar. So he was fighting with now Maharana Pratap. So they were fighting. So what the Maharana Pratap's horse did, we will see. महाराणा प्रताप के घोड़े का नाम चेतक था। तो उसने क्या किया, मान सिंह के हाथी पर अपने दोनों पैर रख दिए। दोनों पैर कहाँ रखे? सिर पर रख दिए। So what happened? लेकिन now what महाराणा प्रताप ने एक निशाना मान सिंह को लगाया, पर मान सिंह उससे झुककर बच गया। So what happened? The horse Chetak, what he did? He kept his front legs on the head of the elephant of Man Singh. So what happened? He kept on his head of the elephant of Man Singh. So what happened next means what he did? Maharana Pratap thrown an arrow. Arrow means arrow. So what happened? What Man Singh did means he bended and the arrow went gone anywhere. So what happened now? We'll see. घोड़े ने अपने दोनों पैर, जो सामने के पैर, अब हाथी पर रख दिए थे, मगर हाथी के सूंड में जो तलवार थी उससे दोनों पिछले पैर चेतक के उनमें एक बड़ा घाव हो गया। सो अब चेतक गिर पड़ा और उसमें अब फुर्ती ना रही। इसका मतलब क्या है कि चेतक ने क्या किया, मान सिंह के हाथी के सिर पर दो पैर रख दिए थे, सामने के पैर रख दिए थे, मीन्स द फ्रंट लेग्स ही kept on the elephant of Man Singh. So now the elephant was carrying a sword. Talwar means sword. Talwar means sword. So with that sword what happened? He was carried on the trunk of the elephant. So with the trunk of the elephant, the sword hurted into the back legs of the Chetak. So he fall down. And Furti means energy. After getting hurted, Chetak was not having Furti, energy. Furti means energy. He was not having that much energy. So, what happened? Now, मुगल सेना ने मौका पाकर महाराणा को चारों ओर से घेर लिया। अब संकट की घड़ी सामने थी। महाराणा प्रताप विपत्ति से घिर गए थे। Now what happened? When Chetak fall down, Maharana Pratap was there only. So now Mughal Sena what they did means they surrounded Maharana Pratap and Maharana's horse. So what happened now? Maharana Pratap was now in big problem. So what happened? We'll see. ऐसी संकट की घड़ी में महाराणा प्रताप के विश्वास पात्र झाला सरदार ने अद्भुत साहस और धैर्य का परिचय दिया। वे ढाल बनकर महाराणा प्रताप के सामने आ खड़े हुए और किसी तरह से उन्हें शत्रु पक्ष से निकालकर सुरक्षित स्थान पर ले गए। महाराणा प्रताप स्वयं तथा उनका घोड़ा भी घायल था। Now what happened means This was a big problem for Maharana Pratap. So what happened means, untrustworthy of Maharana Pratap, named as Jhala Sardar, came into the war, and he saved Maharana Pratap and he took him out from the opponent team. So what happened, we'll see. Shatru Paksh and Vishwasapatra meaning. Vishwasapatra means trustworthy. Trustworthy's name was Jhala Sardar. He was the trustworthy of Maharana Pratap. So now what happened? महाराणा प्रताप स्वयं तथा उनका घोड़ा भी घायल था। झाला सरदार ने महाराणा को बचाने के लिए उनके राज चिन्ह स्वयं धारण कर लिए। महाराणा प्रताप ऐसा नहीं चाहते थे, लेकिन सरदार ने उनकी बात नहीं सुनी। So now what happened means, the Maharana Pratap and hearts of Maharana Pratap was too much hurted. So now what happened, Jhala Sardar was saying that now he will wear Maharana Pratap's clothes and he will go to the war. But Maharana Pratap said that no, you should not go, because you are a trustworthy of me. Because of me, why you want to die? So but Jhala Sardar not listened his word and wore the clothes of Maharana Pratap and went to the war. महाराणा प्रताप का वेश धारण किए झाला सरदार युद्ध भूमि में पहुंचे। उन्हें देखकर सैनिकों का उत्साह 2 गुना हो गया, लेकिन मुगल सेना बहुत बड़ी थी। शत्रु सैनिक घेरा बनाकर राणा का वेश धारण किए झाला सरदार पर टूट पड़े। उन्हें चारों ओर से घेर लिया गया। झाला सरदार वीरता पूर्वक लड़े, लेकिन वे अकेले पड़ गए। So now what happened? Maharana Pratap's clothes, who wore means Jhala Sardar wore the clothes of Maharana Pratap. So he went to the war. Now what happened means, the all Mughal Sena and the soldiers of Maharana Pratap were so much having energy by seeing Maharana Pratap. Means he was not Maharana Pratap but just Jhala Sardar, but the soldiers thought that he was Maharana Pratap and Mughal Sena also thought that he was Maharana Pratap. So Mughal Sena was too big. So now what happened means, Jhala Sardar was fighting so much nicely, he was fighting, but what happened, he became lonely, a strong soldier. So he was very much strong but he was alone. So what happened now, झाला सरदार वीर गति को प्राप्त हुए और जब तक शत्रु पक्ष को सच्चाई जान पाते, महाराणा प्रताप सुरक्षित स्थान पर पहुंच चुके थे। Now what happened, they were the Maharana Pratap soldiers were also fighting, but Mughal Sena, what they did, they thrown so many arrows on all the soldiers and on Maharana Pratap, means Maharana Pratap not Jhala Sardar. So what happened now, the Jhala Sardar and the soldiers worked hard but they not won, because they wrote a nice name in the history. So Jhala Sardar was died. But till now what happened, Mughal Sena got the truth. Arey, this is not he is not Maharana Pratap but Jhala Sardar. So what they did, they were searching for Maharana Pratap, but till that time Maharana Pratap went to a safe place. So this is the story of Utsaha, Dhairya and Sahas, zeal, enthusiasm, courage and patience. We must take patience. We should learn so many things from this story. So we should be every time nice. In this patience, in this all qualities should be there in ourselves. So now we are taking example 3. What is example 3? आपने King Bruce and Spider कहानी तो सुनी होगी. So what is the story name is King Bruce and Spider. So what is the story? गुफा की छत पर बने अपने जाले तक पहुंचने की कोशिश में एक मकड़ी स्पाइडर कितनी ही बार गिरी, लेकिन उसने अपना धैर्य नहीं खोया और अंत में वह लक्ष्य तक पहुंची गई। मकड़ी के इन कोशिशों को देखकर राजा ब्रूस देख रहे थे, वे निराश हो गए थे। मकड़ी के धैर्य ने उनके मन में उत्साह का संचार कर दिया। वे अपने राज्य को फिर से पा लेने की हिम्मत खो चुके थे, क्योंकि कई बार कोशिश करके भी वे शत्रु पक्ष को हरा नहीं पाए थे। पर मकड़ी से सबक सीखकर राजा ब्रूस ने फिर से कोशिश की और अपने खोए हुए राज्य को पा लिया। So now what happened? This is third story. Third story. So what happened now means the main characters are, first main character is Raja Bruce. Raja Bruce means King Bruce. Spider, Makdi. These two are main characters, Raja Bruce, King Bruce and Makdi, Spider. So what happened? Makdi sir, where he will live means spider, in spider web. So spider web will be so much distance away from the spider. So spider was going to the spider's web, to his home. So what happened? He was falling, again going, falling, again going. By seeing this patience and courage, the King Bruce got so much powerful and energy. By seeing that, he got so much patience, so much courage and so much zeal and enthusiasm. So what happened now? He thought why he was sitting there, because so many times he did to get his kingdom, but what happened? It was not getting. So now by getting this much confidence, he went to again for fighting, but what happened means he got his kingdom and he was very much happy. With this also we will get so much learning outcomes. So what we should do, every time we should be confident and patience we should have. Patience, zeal, enthusiasm and courage are very much important. By these three examples we learned that these all are very important. Three qualities are very important. So now बच्चन जी की ये पंक्तियां सदा याद रखनी चाहिए. Bachchan ji, the author of this poem. So we should remember this poem every time. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। This poem I am going to explain you in English. By seeing the sea waves, by getting afraid with it, the ship will never go front. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती means the people who try again and again, they will never fail. नन्ही चींटी दाना लेकर चलती है means small ant by taking a piece of rice. चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. Walk on walls and fall down. Every time, 100 times she fall down, but she will never leave her courage and patience. Now, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है means the voice of heart helps in every encouragement. चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है. Falling, going and never dislikes means the falling and going. The ant never dislike that. Every time she will try and at last आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. But the hard work of ant, the never go back, never go wrong. And now कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. The people who try again and again, they will never fail. So with this lesson, every child, every person, every human must have these three qualities. They are patience, zeal and courage. So we should have these three qualities. So we should have these three qualities because they make us very nice. They will make us to shine bright in future. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. If you get any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will clear the doubts. Please subscribe, like and comment my channel. Share my channel. Thank you.